Welcome back to Grammar Grade 7. This is Unit 10, Lesson 56, and we're continuing our study of usage, choosing the right word for exactly what you mean. Today we take on 4 more pairs that mix people up all the time because a single letter or a single idea decides which word is correct. Let's get started. Here are today's 4 pairs, and each one trips people up for a different reason. First, beside versus besides, where a single S changes everything. Next, between versus among, which depends on how many you're talking about. Then, bring versus take, which is all about direction. And finally, choose versus chose, where the spelling tells you the tense. In every case, one small change flips the meaning, so let's look at each pair up close. Let's start with beside and besides. Beside, ending in a single E with no extra S, tells you where something is, next to or at the side of. For example, the lamp is beside the bed. It's sitting right next to it. Now add an S and you get besides, which means in addition to or also. For example, besides math, I love art. That's a way of saying in addition to math. So remember, beside points to a place, while besides means also. Next up, between and among. And the deciding factor is simply how many. Use between when you're talking about two. For example, this stays between you and me. That's just 2 people, you and me. Use among when there are 3 or more. For example, split the snacks among the whole team. A team is 3 or more people, a whole group. So ask yourself the count. If it's 2, use between. If it's 3 or more, use among. Now, bring and take, which is all about direction. Use bring when something is carried toward the speaker. For example, bring the ball here. You want it to come to where you are. Use take when something is carried away from the speaker. For example, take the trash out. It heads away from you. Picture yourself in the middle. Bring comes toward you, and take sends it the other way. So the quick test is simple. Coming to me means bring. Leaving me means take. Our last pair is choose and chose, and here the spelling tells you the tense. Choose, spelled with 2 O's, is the present tense. It means to pick right now. For example, today I choose the window seat. Chose, spelled C-H-O-S-E, is the past tense. It means you already picked. For example, yesterday I chose the aisle seat. Watch this common slip. Last week I choose. Because last week is over, that one is wrong. It has to be the past. Last week I chose. So ask when it happens. Happening now is choose. Already done is chose. Let's line them all up as a quick reference. Beside means next to, at a place. Besides means in addition, also. Between is for 2. Among is for 3 or more. Bring means toward me. Take means away from me. And choose is the present tense, while chose is the past. See the pattern? You start with the meaning you want, and the meaning points you to the right word every time. Let's turn all of this into one habit. Before you pick one of these words, pause and ask what you actually mean. If you mean a place, use beside. If you mean also, use besides. If you're talking about 2, use between. If it's 3 or more, use among. If something moves toward you, use bring. If it moves away, use take. And for time, use choose for now and chose for the past. Say the meaning first and the right word follows. Ready to practice a few together? Time to practice. In this first set, read each sentence and choose the word that fits the meaning. Pause the video and try each one on your own before I reveal the answer. The bicycle leaned blank the fence. Beside or besides? The sentence tells us where the bicycle is, right next to the fence. A place points to beside, so the answer is beside. Let's keep this secret blank, the two of us. Between or among? It clearly says the two of us, and two calls for between. So the answer is between. Please blank your umbrella when you leave the house. Bring or take? The umbrella is going away from here, out the door with you. Moving away means take. So the answer is take. In this second set, keep choosing the word that matches the meaning. Watch the spelling and the tense carefully. Pause and choose before I answer. Right now, I blank the smaller slice. Choose or chose? The words right now tell you it's happening in the present, so we use choose. So the answer is choose. The prize was shared blank. All 6 winners. Between or among? 6 winners is far more than 2, and 3 or more calls for among. So the answer is among. Last night I blank the mystery novel. Choose or chose? The clue is last night. It already happened, so it must be the past tense. Chose. So the answer is chose. Let's gather up what we learned. Beside means next to, at a place, while besides means also, in addition. Between is for 2 people or things, and among is for 3 or more. Bring carries something toward you, while take carries it away. And remember the tense. Choose is happening now, but chose already happened. In every case, decide what you mean first, and the right word will follow. Wonderful work today, and I'll see you in the next lesson.